Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make transferring files the default instead of charging phone only on Android 16 with One UI 8.0. First of all, I'm going to show you guys what I mean. So I'm going to connect my phone to my computer. As soon as I do that, it says connected for charging only. And if I pull down the screen, there's now an icon here. It says USB for charging phone. Tap for other USB options. So I'm going to click on that. That brings me to USB settings. We have USB controlled by, connected device, or this device, and it's currently set to this device. And then we have use USB for, transferring files, /Android Auto, USB tethering, MIDI, transferring images, or charging phone only. And it's currently set to charging phone only. Now, of course, you can go ahead and select transferring files /Android Auto and switch it over that way. But if you do that, it's automatically going to switch back once your phone is disconnected from your computer. The next time you go to connect it, it's going to go to charging phone only. So I'm going to show you guys a much better way to deal with this and a way that you can set it so that transferring files /Android Auto is the default. Now I'm going to disconnect my phone from my computer. Always remember that if you are disconnecting your phone from your computer, do it in a safe way. Either hit the eject button if you have one on your computer, and if you don't and you have a newer computer like myself, then you'll have to go to search, go into settings, and then go to Bluetooth and devices. And then under other devices, look for your phone, click the drop down arrow, and select remove. Then you can safely unplug your phone from your computer. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, so I've safely disconnected my phone. Now I'm going to go out of this menu, so I'm going to click the back arrow. I'm going to go into the settings again. And I'm going to search for USB. Under Others, we have USB settings, so I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, the USB settings is currently grayed out. So to fix this, we're going to go back again, go back again, scroll all the way down to the bottom, go to About Phone, and then Software Information. I can't show you guys the next page because it has my phone number and stuff on it, but you go to About Phone and then Software Information. Under Software Information, you're going to tap on the build number 7 times. And then type your password and click Continue. Allow development settings. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause your device and the applications on it to break or misbehave. So when using the developer options, you have to be extremely careful that you don't click on the wrong thing. That's why I'm going to walk you through this. So we're going to click OK. And as soon as we're done with the developer options, we're going to switch it off so that you don't accidentally change something important. Now go back. Now you'll notice you can scroll down past About Phone and you have developer options. So you're going to go to developer options and be extremely careful in this because if you change something, it might be hard to fix. So we're going to scroll down and keep scrolling down. Now we want to go to Default USB Configuration. Default USB configuration. We can select transferring files, USB tethering, MIDI, transferring images, or charging phone only, and it's currently set to charging phone only. This setting will be applied when your phone is unlocked and connected to another device. Only connect to devices that you trust. So we're going to go ahead and change this to transferring files. And then go back. Now go ahead and turn off developer options by flipping the switch to the left. Go back. Alright, now I'm going to try plugging my phone into my computer again. And this time it automatically opened my phone. And if I pull the screen down, it now says USB for file transfer. Tap for other USB options. So I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, it's set to this device still, but now it's set for transferring files /Android Auto. So I'm going to go back again. And that is how you make transferring files the default instead of charging phone only on Android 16 with One UI 8.0. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos, and I will see you in my next video.